This is exactly how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile app. So firstly, open up your Roblox mobile app, and then what you need to do in here is that you need to click on the three lines in the top left corner. And then what you need to do now is to click on settings and then click on account info. So click on account info and then scroll down. The first thing you need to do is to verify your age. You can either verify with your ID or with a selfie. So it's completely up to you. I chose the selfie before because it's so easy to do and very fast, but it's completely up to you how you want to verify it. Now, once you have done so, then you need to go back to this page here and then just choose a game. I'm just gonna choose this game as an example for this tutorial. So I'm just gonna take this game here, and now what I need to do on this is to just click on the logo in the top left corner, then click on settings here, and then make sure that the input and output device is correct, so it actually uses your microphone here, as you can see. And then the voice chat, if it says disconnected, make sure that it says connected here instead, of course. Now, once you're connected to voice chat, don't forget to click on the microphone, and now you're able to use it. And that is basically exactly how to actually get it.